Yo, what's up guys? Good day, magandang gabi. So meron tayong bisita dito from Binyan, Laguna guys. So pipick up lang sila ng item. So ang napili nila ay Yoshimura R77 Silver full system or Honda Click version 2. So ito yung kakabitan niya. Ayun o, pogi. So bagay na bagay dito yung JDM concept. Tamang tama yung Yoshimura brand natin na muffler. So ayan guys. So hindi na natin may kakabit since gabi na. So si sir nang bahala. Ayun sila. Alright, from Binyan, Laguna. Maraming salamat po. Dito lang yan sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers, located at Metroville Subdivision, Puok, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Ongoing transaction guys, ongoing transaction. What's up guys, so ito pala yung napili ng client natin, Yoshimura R77 with Japan logo. Ayan, so bagay na bagay sa JDM concept niya sir. Alright. Oh, diba? Complement na complement. Since naka-white pa siya. Okay, so dito lang yan guys sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers. Visit na kayo dito sa shop. Open kami Monday to Sunday 8 AM to 6 PM. So meron din kaming TikTok shop. Available yan guys sa ating yellow basket. Alright, so naka-post yan guys. From Binyan, Laguna. Yo, what's up? Deal na nga guys. Pauwi na sila boss. Ayan. So full system yan guys. Ikakabit na lang, plug and play. So salamat po. Salamat. Alright. So walk-in customer from Binyan, Laguna. Bye bye. Ingat sir, ingat. Pogi naman ang setup niyan. Thank you sir. Thank you. Alright, dito lang yan guys sa Marjo Accessories and Mufflers. Open kami Monday to Sunday 8 AM to 6 PM.